Hello kids, how are you? This is your science class. Lesson 10, Air and Wind. The first topic is air. You must have seen a kite flying. What makes it fly? It is the air that makes a kite fly. What do you do when you want to blow up a balloon? You blow air from your mouth into the balloon. Next, more about air. Air is everywhere around us. Though we cannot see it, we can feel it. All living beings need air to breathe. Air takes up space. That is why a balloon gets bigger when we blow air into it. Air always blows in a certain direction. The movement of different objects along with the air tell us about the direction in which the air is blowing. Next, uses of air. Air helps plant to breathe and grow. It helps wet clothes to dry. It helps things like kites, bird and aeroplane to fly. It helps things to move. For example, it makes a boat sail. It also moves the blade of a windmill. Next topic, clean air. Dust particles carry diseases causing germs that makes us sick. Dust, smoke and germs makes the air impure. This is called air pollution. We need to breathe clean and fresh air to stay healthy. If we breathe dirty air, we are more likely to develop health problems and become ill. Here are some of the causes of air pollution. Smoke from cigarette, smoke from burning wood and smoke from factory. Here are some ways to keep the air clean. Plant trees, do not cut trees, use recycled things, walk or use a cycle instead of a vehicle. Next topic, wind. Air is all around us. We cannot see, but we can feel it when it moves. When the air moves slowly, it is called breeze. When the air moves fast, it is called wind. A strong wind can blow away things like clothes, paper, and loose soil. The wind makes things move. It makes a kite fly. It moves clouds in the sky. Can you see anything being moved by the wind now? Sometimes the wind blows fast and strong. Fast and strong winds can cause a storm. Storm can damage houses, crops, trees and animals. Storm can also turn ships and boats over. We also know of the effect of the tsunami, a form of a storm in the sea which hit the coast of Japan recently. Topic, wind has direction. Wind blows in a definite direction. Let us find out in which direction the wind is blowing today. Take a handful of sand. Raise your hand. Drop the sand to the ground little by little. See which way sand flies. This will show you the direction in which the wind is blowing. Now run with the wind, then run against the wind. Can you tell which was easier? This is a weathercock. It is fixed high up on a building. The beak of a cock shows us the direction in which the wind blows. Next topic is wind has force. Wind has force. It helps an object to move in its direction. Sails of boats are pushed by the wind to make them move forward. Strong and steady wind can move windmill blades. Windmills are used to grind wheat and corn. These are also used to pump water and generate electricity. Thank you.